Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a mojito using an easy method. First, gather your fresh mint leaves and lime wedges. You'll also need simple syrup and good quality white rum. Don't forget to have plenty of ice and some refreshing club soda ready. These simple ingredients are the foundation for a perfect, easy-to-make mojito right at home. Now let's get started. Place about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves into your glass, along with 2 to 3 lime wedges. Gently muddle them together, just enough to release their oils and juice without tearing the mint. Next, pour in 2 ounces of white rum and 1 ounce of simple syrup. This combination creates the sweet and tangy base. With your muddled mint, lime, rum, and simple syrup in the glass, it's time for ice. Fill your glass completely to the top with ice cubes. Then, slowly top off your drink with about 4 ounces of chilled club soda. Give it a very gentle stir to combine all the flavors without losing the fizz. This step brings everything together beautifully. Finally, for that perfect finishing touch, garnish your mojito. Add a fresh sprig of mint, giving it a little pat to release its aroma. A thin lime wheel on the rim or floating in the drink also adds a nice visual appeal. Serve your refreshing mojito immediately and enjoy the delightful taste of your homemade creation. Cheers!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.